Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the settings on the communication page so that you can create your agency branding and add additional settings that we all relate under the heading of communication. Here on the settings page on communication, you will either have arrived here as part of your initial onboarding, or you have elected to revisit and possibly update some of your settings or add to those existing settings that you put in as part of onboarding. The first area here is a contact email, and all of the details here that you can see in the preview template. This is how your communications will go out to your tenants and your tradespersons from Clare, but in your agency branding. So this here is obviously our test environment. So here you would put in your contact email from an agency level, not really an individual. So that if you have a group email address that you wish your tenants and tradespeople to email to, then you would enter the email address there. The logo file here is the usual way of uploading your logo for your particular agency. And this here is the signature. So once again, with the preview template, you can see the logo that I've uploaded. You can see the signature here that will go on all the communications. And then this is that contact email address for your tenants and tradespeople to get back in touch with you. The vacate notice period, as mentioned here, is that for those tenants out of contract, Clare needs to know what your standard notice period is in days that a tenant needs to give before vacating the property. So if they ask Clare of that question, we actually have that answer here to be able to reply to them. Usually this would be state-based and a mandatory figure, but we just have the option there for you to put in what you would prefer to have. Finally, in this bottom corner, tick this box if you wish your property managers to be notified when Clare creates a maintenance job. We have some customers that want to be advised, and others say that they will find them because they spend most of their day in the job section of their property management software. But it's just another way of making sure that the communication is happening between Clare as she provides her digital assistance to your property managers. The last section here is to click on the web form, and what you would do is pass this HTML. It'll be different in production. This is our test environment, but you would pass this HTML to your IT or website team so that you can create the maintenance web form on your own web page, surrounded again by your own agency branding. But this would be the starting point for your tenants when wishing to submit a web form maintenance request. That's the settings for this page. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.